Your plants don't have to be in the ground to flourish. This season, try hanging your outdoor plants, whether they are flowers, herbs or even some vegetables. Here are 15 creative ways to hang a plant out. Use glass bottles to hang your favorite garden flowers and wildflowers. Just wrap some twine or string around the bottle and hang from a tree limb. If you pick up a hanging basket of flowers from your favorite garden center, try hanging it someplace besides on a shepherd's hook this season. Depending on the type of plant and its sun requirements, try. These small pots are hanging from a steel rail, which is a great idea if you're short on garden space. While flowers would work well in this deck rail plant hanger space, you could also try herbs. Upside-down tomatoes. These tomato plants hang from homemade bucket pots that are attached to a fence. This over-the-fence plant hanger's way of growing tomatoes works well for those short balcony flowers. If you have a balcony, try decorating it with a mix of flowing flowers. Baskets attached to the railing and hanging baskets with cascading flowers can create a cheery European look. Bottle planters. If you're looking to get plants started for the season, try planting them in a recycled water or soda bottle that has been cut in half, then hang them. This concept could also work for small plants such as succulents. Hanging terrarium. This hanging terrarium can be used indoors or out. Try hanging it from a corner of the porch or from a pergola. Recycled hanging pot. Try painting an old pot or even a coffee mug and hang it from the fence. This is a great way to get your kids involved in gardening as they can help paint the pots, choose the plants and plant them. Wall plants. Try attaching small pots to a fence or even a pallet propped up against the side of the house to grow flowers or herbs. Just make sure the space gets plenty of sun. Wall pots. Hang some pots on the side of your home or along a fence to plant a variety of flowers and plants. Using planters that are square opposed to round will work better for this project. Flowers on a pergola trellis. If you have a trellis, gazebo or pergola, some flowers can grow and spread along with the structure and create shade. Wisteria hangs on this pergola, adding color to the backyard. Hanging basket plant stand. Avoid having to attach a hook to your home and try this hanging basket idea. This hanging basket plant stand is a great way to hang a small plant at your home's entryway. This hanging basket plant stand can also be used indoors. Indoor, outdoor hanging planter. This hanging planter can be used outdoors or in. Try using it to grow your favorite flowers or some cascading ivy. Hanging pot rope holder. If you already have a pot in mind, you can make your own hanging pot with some rope.